had a dusty box of trophies in the attic, so that attic took a trip to Kingdom Come. I guess that storm had sent it flying back to high school, and in the rubble said they'd only found the one. Mom said she never had the room to keep them. Said they always took up way too dang much space. When I saw her safe and sound, Dad and sister by her side, I'd have given her a trophy for that face. I could think of better things to put my hometown on the map than to have it blown clear off at Sunday night. But if I know her like I know I do, she ain't going down without a fight. 'Cause here in my hometown, it's just like your hometown. We got sisters, we got brothers, memories of one another we hold dear. 'Cause here in my hometown, the one like your hometown, sure there might be a little less of it, we might have a bigger mess of it, but all we really need is all still here, here in our hometown. I know each girl dreams of being princess, to wear that dress and walk daddy down the aisle. Instead they searched through what was left of their old kitchen and pulled that veil from underneath the pile. 3 stories made a heap up on their shoulders. Must have felt like this whole world came crashing in. But they took it step by step, found a laundromat and then made that dress all sparkling white again. I can think of better things to put my hometown on the map than to have it blown clear off at Sunday night. And if I know folks like I know folks in my town, they're gonna be alright. 'Cause here in my hometown, it's just like your hometown. We got fathers, we got mothers, memories of one another we hold dear. Yeah, here in my hometown, the one like your hometown, sure there might be a little less of it, we might have a bigger mess of it, but all we really need is all still here. Mother Nature ain't around to answer questions, but what she tore down we're building right back up. When you got everything to gain, well then what's a little rain gonna do to folks that don't know when to stop? Here in my hometown, it's just like your hometown. Sure we ain't got a lot of things, we got memories that we hold dear. Here in my hometown, it's just like your hometown. Sure there might be a little less of it, we might have a bigger mess of it, but all we really need is all still